The air in Alex's home office was thick with the kind of silence that only prefaces disaster. His company, Innovacorp, was about to conduct its quarterly, and increasingly dreaded, mass layoff Zoom call. Alex, a project manager, sat rigid in his chair, fingers hovering over the mute, all button. His neatly parted dark brown hair seemed to stand at attention, mirroring his own anxiety. He adjusted his glasses, a nervous habit. Across town, Jordan, a junior graphic designer, was blissfully unaware. She'd been told to join an important all-hands meeting, but assumed it was about the new coffee machine in the break room. Her vibrant shoulder-length red hair bounced as she danced around her apartment, humming a pop song. She'd even put on her favorite bright pink t-shirt with a microphone graphic, ready for a fun, if slightly dull, corporate update. The call began. Alex's face, usually calm and composed, was now a mask of grim determination. He looked directly into the camera, trying to project authority, but his brown eyes betrayed a deep unease. "Good morning, everyone," Alex began, his voice a little too strained. "As you know, Innovacorp has been undergoing some significant structural adjustments." He watched the participant list, his finger twitching. This was the moment. He took a deep breath. "Due to these necessary changes, we regrettably have to inform some of you." Before he could finish the dreaded sentence, a burst of enthusiastic karaoke erupted through the speakers. "I will always love you. You woo woo." Alex's eyes widened. He scrambled, but it was too late. Jordan, having just joined the call and thinking it was a casual gathering, had unmuted herself to sing along to the hold music, using her hairbrush as a mic. On her screen, Jordan was belting out Whitney Houston, a ridiculous party hat perched on her head. Her playful green eyes were squeezed shut in musical ecstasy, a wide, uninhibited grin on her face. Confetti cannons, which Shed set up for a self-celebration of finishing a big project, accidentally went off in her background, showering her with glitter. The entire Zoom call, which had been a sea of somber faces, suddenly fractured. A few suppressed snickers could be heard. One person choked on their coffee. Alex's meticulously planned, somber announcement was now a chaotic comedy. Alex's face, already pale, flushed a deep red. He finally found the mute all button and slammed it. The karaoke stopped abruptly, leaving an awkward, ringing silence. Jordan, now muted and seeing Alex's mortified expression, slowly lowered her hairbrush. Her grin faltered, replaced by a dawning horror, as she noticed the serious faces on the call, and the grim tone of Alex's last words. "Oh no," she mouthed silently, her party hat now feeling incredibly foolish. She quickly ripped it off, her red hair a disheveled mess. Alex cleared his throat, attempting to regain control. "As I was saying," he managed, though his voice wavered slightly, "these decisions were not made lightly." But the tension was broken. The gravity of the situation was still there, yet a bizarre, almost hysterical, undercurrent rippled through the virtual room. Employees who were about to be laid off shared small, knowing glances through their webcams, a shared moment of absurd relief in the face of bad news. It was a bizarre twist, a moment of unexpected levity. Alex finished the difficult announcement, but the memory of Jordan's impromptu concert lingered. The day that was meant to be purely dreadful had a strange, unforgettable punchline. It was a reminder that even in the most unfortunate circumstances, life's unpredictable moments can sometimes offer a much-needed, if entirely inappropriate laugh. And sometimes, those laughs are all you have left.